I am crossing our famous Dan Rhine Expressway Highway, heading to Home Depot. Heading to Home Depot right now to hire a contractor to do a small, quick job at the Crandon project. This is them standing out there. All those trucks and stuff on the side are all Home Depot guys. Not Home Depot guys, sorry. They are all contractors looking for a day job. So we're gonna go and talk to one of them. Looking. Hola, buenos dias.
Hey.
Looking for a carpenter.
Carpenter, what are you trying to do in carpenter?
I'm trying to do a 10 by 10 storage unit in the basement.
Oh, okay, so yes, I do it.
A fast one.
Okay.
You got time now, so we go take a look at it?
Yes, let's go. I'm a follow you.
Okay.
Yeah.
You follow me?
So Enrique, yeah, I'm a follow you.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, good.
Okay.
Good.
Not far from here?
Not far. We're good?
So, yeah. Good.
All right. Let's take a look at it.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. So that's me right there, the van. Okay. So, amigo. So what we want to do today to finish is to put a storage here. So from here we're gonna go maybe 10 to 8 feet because we need a hallway to go here, and we go there.
You wanna close this and then?
No, this is gonna move in here.
We'll move here.
Oh,
Yeah, this is gonna move over here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So,
No, really, I'm not sure. Yeah.
okay, 10 or 12 to 50 all the way to where?
You got that measure?
Yes.
Let's measure 10 feet.
Okay.
Where 10 feet go?
Hold on.
That's 10 feet? That's too much.
This is 12.
That's 12? Okay.
That's 12, just too much.
Over
You
here.
want 10? 10
We're
here.
10.
Here.
10. Okay, let's go 9 feet. I need more room.
Okay, 9
9
feet.
feet.
Okay, 9 feet to here.
9 feet to here.
Yeah, fine.
And then to that side.
I remember.
Yeah.
Okay, to here, they going to be like about 80?
8 feet? Okay, that's
80,
good.
No, 80 inch.
80 inch.
Yeah, about
8 inch.
About 80 inch.
80
About
inch.
6 feet.
6, yeah, that's right. So we're gonna put a water tank here,
6 inch.
furnace over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
So you wanna make a room for this?
Yeah, I wanna put this inside here.
Inside here. And that thing stands.
Yeah, and the other.
Only this one. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just put him around here.
I'm around above. Yeah.
Good thing you got the lion here for.
Yeah, so that's why I want to put it there.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. So
Okay.
where do you want the door?
The door gonna be here
Here, in the front.
in the front.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna swing. It's gonna swing out.
Yeah.
No, by
okay.
fold.
And the
No.
door?
It's regular lock door.
Lock door. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
The door here.
This don't have to be here.
Huh?
The door gonna be here
Yeah.
Yeah, and this.
That was
and gonna swing out.
outside.
The door is 30 by 30.
Yeah, 30 by
So I mean 30 by 80.
yeah, 30 by 80. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Let's make it 3 feet because I don't know about the size of the tank. How big the tank is
Oh,
to
the
fit the tank inside.
No, the tank is like 30.
Height.
Like 30.
Like
Okay.
30 here.
So if you're 30, push the tank inside, it'll be a problem. So give me 36.
Oh yeah, okay.
36
yeah.
door. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
36 door.
Okay, yeah.
So amigo, give me a price.
No, this is 20.
That's 20.
Yeah, the tank is 20.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is my manager, Ola.
Okay.
He's gonna take you to Home Depot. Then we're gonna get the wood.
Yeah.
2x4. I don't think I have no 2x4 here. This is all I have. This is all I have on the floor.
And you want the drywall only like in the outside, not in the inside?
Yeah, that one outside. Yes.
Only outside.
Only outside. Yes.
Face.
Yeah, only outside.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, we have drywall upstairs. We'll take
Oh,
drywall
okay.
upstairs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay. Yeah. And you wanna taping? Taping or not taping?
the drywall?
Yeah.
Yeah, tape it. Yeah, tape.
Oh, tape?
tape.
Oh, okay. You want tape?
Yeah.
Okay. No problem.
If you get it close,
Yeah.
you need to tape it. Just one.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh. Yeah. More.
Yeah, yeah. You get no more. You're gonna
Make sure
main
you close
job.
together.
Yeah.
You just mod it so you don't need to do it.
Tape, yeah.
Yeah, that's the same thing. Same one. That is
Okay, all right, good.
okay.
So
For this,
I get the materials. So you're gonna go to Home Depot. I have account
Yeah.
Home Depot, so
okay.
you're doing labor now.
Yeah.
The door gonna be louver door at the bottom.
Yeah.
If no louver, then we cut louver into it. We put screen into it.
Yeah, we'll put it there.
Okay.
Okay. We'll put this.
Morning.
Good morning. How's it going?
Doing well.
All right.
Morning, Chris.
How are you?
Good, good. I'm coming.
Yes.
For you, 1,200 square.
1200 for this small room?
Yeah, because we're framing.
Yeah.
Do the driver. Driver maybe like about, if we do 9 hit, about 2 chip for this side, 2 for this side, 2 for this side,
Amigo.
and for this side, about 6 chip for driver.
Okay.
6 chip for driver.
Okay. You passed my budget, amigo.
Like how much you trying to pay?
You passed my budget big time. I was looking at 900.
I'd say 12 is good price.
900 is my budget
Yeah.
because I buy material and everything.
What about let's do 1,000. 1,000.
If you do a good job,
No, amigo.
no, I'm not saying
We
if you
gotta
do a
do
good price,
amazing.
you give him more job here.
I have my job here.
Yeah. So 1,000 is good, amigo.
If I give you 900, I give you cash.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Let me see. Okay. 950. Cash.
I know 900 cash and we're good.
950 cash.
Cash is what I have right now.
Okay, you got a 284 in here.
All right, so let's get it done. You good?
You got a 284.
Huh?
You don't have. What about that?
I don't have 2x4. You gonna do Home Depot in here?
Okay, so
You got all the nails on, right? You got all your tools, everything.
Yeah, I got all. You only need to buy, the supply,
Yeah, supply. Yes,
Yeah, supply.
material.
Yeah, the material because I got a gun.
Okay, you got everything.
Stuff.
Good. You got the material. He's gonna go with you. He's gonna show you what the material.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna get it.
Right what you need now.
Yeah.
I got driver, got one upstairs right here for you.
You got a table over there.
I got driver
upstairs.
upstairs.
Like how many cheap?
You know, I got
He's gonna go with you. Show it to you.
No, no, you have enough driver to finish this place.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
No,
yeah.
no, that's no problem. So in here we need we want to put like green board in the bottom.
Yeah, green board.
I got green board upstairs.
I got green
You
board.
got a green board?
Yes.
284. No?
Okay?
Yes, yes, I got it.
Oh, okay.
So, but right here, you
So-
gotta put installation on the wall.
So this,
Yeah.
but you say you wanna close. Okay.
Yeah, so this all the way, we said 8 feet.
Yeah.
That right there, 8 feet, and then to the other end. Okay?
Okay.
And you see they have double stud up here. So
Yeah.
you're gonna have those stud right here. So make it work.
Yeah. No worry. Okay. So we need to take now. We need to try for this here. Yeah, like 52 4.
15 2x4s.
Yeah.
They're gonna be 16 on center, right?
Huh?
16 on center? 16?
Yeah, no. Yeah, it's 860.
16, okay, good.
Yeah,
Alright.
860.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. So,
So-
yeah, now 50.
Alright.
15?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we good. So he's gonna take care of you now.
Uh-huh.
And then I gotta run to go get my
Oh, okay, yeah. When I come here with the material, you give me, some money, and when we finish today,
Yeah.
give me the other money.
Okay. So I'm gonna go get the money now and then go to Home Depot get the material.
Yeah, okay.
Alright. So go Home Depot now, I'll meet you Home
Okay,
Depot. Alright, Miguel, thank you.
okay, man.
Alright. Yeah,
Let's go upstairs now. Oh, that's just really this.
You want to lay in here?
yeah, they're gonna bring your lights. They're gonna bring your lights. You got this
You have a floor light?
Huh?
You have floor light. You got a light in the car, in the front?
Yeah.
We just go plug it.
Oh, no, I don't have light.
Okay, I'll get
Alright.
All right. So what are you doing? I'm half a 2x4.
Let me see. Okay.
that's
Alright,
it.
Islam.
Yeah.
Good, good.
So, ito pa yan. Lots of people going to be society.
Okay.
So, really, society, ito be the
Alright.
Okay. So, again, talk about one day. First of all, I'm going to listen. Okay.
Tank in the corner.
So, yeah.
Okay.
And then first of all, I'm going to say, listen. That's one. Only one. It's listen.
Alright.
Alright. Okay.
Sounds good.
So, okay. Professor, show me copy.
Yeah. So we got the material for the mechanical closet, and that's the wood on the floor, and they start to walk. And this furnace will be moving into the closet. Hopefully you see that work being done when we're about to move this into the room right there that we're building right now. Right here. It's coming along. All right. Hey man, that was good.
I do have about money.
Alhamdulillah.
Dámela, yeah, amigo.
Amigo, nada, señor.
Yeah. So that's a full crazy lady. Voy a appreciate the approach on the
Pásame el taladro. Pásame el taladro.
Yeah.
That's about. I told you that when they right out of that time, when you from what do you want? What can you do last? What do you know what? When you go get only I do 3, 5, but you know what? I want to teach along with you guys. Only but you got only I'm not the difference. But only like put that 35.
Hey amigo.
Where
are the screws for this? My friend.
Yes.
Where are the screws for this? I don't see the screws. No screws coming here.
That's what I'm worried. What are you screwing inside?
Oh, okay.
You see on the
Sit
floor?
down, yeah. You just. I know your wife is just telling you come home, right? I can tell. Yeah, that's why. You know.
Okay, dame el taladro.
Yeah.
Alúmbrame. No, con la que te di, Enrique, la mía.
¿Dónde está, pues? No sé dónde está, no la estaba.
Yeah, we take full time, you know. Yeah. I'm gonna guess yes, honestly. Before I leave here for 8 hours, this will get done.
This furnace is gonna move into the new room that we just built in the basement, the new storage room, well, mechanical room basically. It's gonna be in that corner over there, and then with the hot water tank will be next to it. That's the outlet for it, right here to service it. And they will pull a new conduit all the way down next to that. So this is the room, nice, good mechanical room. Gonna be here. So that's gonna be in here. That's gonna be in here tomorrow. He's gonna bring it in here. It's gonna be in this area right here.
This is the public.
That's the public, yes.
Okay, so I don't have to worry about that.
All right.
Public doesn't get air conditioning, right?
No,
Okay.
no.
No.
Here is the furnace room in the basement completed, and the furnace has been moved from the outside position to the inside, to the inside of the room. And there's a furnace right there. And there's still a little more work to be done, which is the return air needs to poke through the wall over there. And then the grill, that grill will be back there for the return. That grill on the wall will be back there for the return air. And supply is right there. That's where the supply is to supply the warm air, the hot air into the space. And then there's another one on the other side also. Let's go to the other side. Right there on the other side, that's the ductwork right there on the other side. I'm blowing air to this other space over here. For the furnace, when it moved here, we had to get the exhaust out on the space, and that goes all the way. The PVC pipe goes all the way to the wall to exhaust out the side of the building right there. And we had to repipe the gas line. How they repipe to get over to the unit to give it gas so that the light can spark, and the ignition switch is right there. So right now we're just using the extension cable, but it's gonna have its own conduit and its own box and switch eventually. And then we have the drain line that slopes out and goes that way. We'll probably have to fit it a little much better back there so that the water doesn't damage the wood. So we'll do a better job with that. But that is where it's gonna be going out. We'll have to drill that out to make that work better. And now on the screen, somewhere on the screen, I'll be giving you the total for this job for now. And the hot water tank will come to this corner over here. That's where we'll put the hot water tank. Somewhere there. And to recap, we used about the stud. We end up using about 32 studs to frame this room out. The room is 6 inches wide by 8 feet long. And up on what's gonna happen to the door to put a louver in it. And you lock the hinges, and we end up using about eight sheets of green board drywall. The type X is green, and basically the reason for using green is just for the moisture, and it resists water damage. It takes a long time for it to have mold on it. So because of all the stuff that's going to happen in this basement, we are going to have the washing machines on that side, and a wash sink on the side of the wall over there also. And this is more of a utility area that all the tenants can share and do their work in there. And along the wall over there is going to be the storage units for each tenant. So this is complete, almost complete. And then the as I'm standing here, it's freezing cold. The electricians are going to be on Monday, and they'll be putting the power to that furnace, and furnace will be operational. And that'll be it for this project. For this project of the storage of the furnace room, that'll be it for this furnace room storage, and we're good, and we keep going with the other rest of the work here.